See that sewing table there? My grandma had one of them. I think my aunt did too. Where you fold it up inside.
Yeah.
I like that turkey. I like the all hair, the deep, I like that. I like that, coach. I like the way everybody's angry. Yeah, that's good.
I had to talk to you about a little something there. You remember telling me about being in 11th grade?
Oh, you talking about me Winterville?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I like me Winterville.
Some talk about maybe you going on to 12th grade. That'd be something, wouldn't it? You know, even have you graduate. What are you gonna listen to? Take your radio down. Radio, listen. Put your radio down. And look at me. Look at me. Ain't nothing wrong with moving on, son. Everybody gets around to it sooner or later.
No, I like the 11th grade. I like the 11th grade. No. I do the menu in the morning. I do the menu. I say, hey, we're gonna have hamburgers and we're gonna have mashed potatoes and then I see people in the hallway say, hey, no running. Everybody no running, and everybody know that stadium on here. Everybody like that new Winfield like that. I said, hi. I like to know. 11th
Talk
grade.
about it when we get closer to the fall. I just want to worry about it right now.
Yeah, that's in the football camp. In the football, we go exercise, and everybody has the shirts and the t-shirts on, and Coach Honey, because he be lots of some deal and a spirit. Yeah, hey, Coach, you say he's quarterback, and Radio, he's defense coach. I be his head coach. That's right, because we gonna go all the way. We're gonna go all the way.
What? Hold on, I'll take you guys out in a minute.
My point is that this man is a disruptive force in our community and represents
Whatever.
our students.
Thank you, Mr. Clay. Okay, I understand how some of you might be.
Sky, hold
What
on.
I am asking is that if there's no other way around this, that we dole out as little hurt as possible.
Fine. Duncan, is there anything you'd like to add?
Evening, Al, Don, Harold. Evening, everyone. Now, Lou. I'm good. How are you? Well, you got yourself a crowded shop tonight, Dad. Yeah, cool. I think y'all know my wife, Linda, and my daughter, Mary Helen. Well, I had to talk to Radio this morning. And I told him not so many words that we might be looking at some changes. It didn't take long to see the more I talked, the more he didn't understand me. We got a lot of that going on. When I was playing, I had a coach. He used to tell me to keep my priorities straight. He'd say, son, you figure out what's important, you push everything else aside. I love football. I love everything about it. I love Friday nights when you're looking for a win and Saturday morning when you found it. That's not what's important right now. We got ourselves a young man we're not thinking about. The same young man who could hardly talk when we first met him, and now he's making announcements in the morning over the loudspeaker. Same young man who got himself a football letter last fall, but he never wears it because he can't afford a jacket. Now we're asking him to leave.
Harold, we are not asking that.
I know some of you don't know or don't care about all that radio's learned over these past few months. But the truth is, we're not the ones that teach radio. Radio's the one that's teaching us. The way he treats us all the time is the way we wish we treated each other even part of it. Look, I know something's got to happen here. I know some changes got to be made. And I know I can't let what happened last season happen again. So I decided to step down as head football coach.
See what you've done, Frank?
I'd like to keep teaching if that's all right. Keep an eye on radio and make sure he stays out of trouble. And I'd like to spend a little more time with a few other folks I've neglected over the years, while I still have a chance to. Much as I love this game, it's not half important to setting that right. Not a pretty good cup tonight, Bill. Thank y'all.
Thanks.
That's what you wanted.
Get his
Just work
ass.
it.
Is it crazy?
Now he looks like that.
I can't believe you could stop coaching football.
Yeah, he needs to start standing up for you.
Now, Vince, what was the matches?
No, he's graduating.
Oh, you look great, radio.
All right, you look good. You look really good. You know where we want to be, right?
Yeah.